Auntie Mr. Fachame, I think I need to come talk to people about it. Mami Pia onte ha or Australia. Auntie Jemfua. Or say on social media swano who say ne ba or Ghana ha no more than the school. Or say akola met na Ghana ha no nje Ghana ntete because they all have this belief say Ghana no your ethics and your morals no yes say abrochio to akola o na was say. Ti ne ba na met na Ghana ha no nje ethics. Would you believe say maame ne ba na tena phone so fiti and now no pay? Do you know why? Maame ne si wo hu say ne ba ko comment mommy I love you. E wa fia was nigga post to asinti wa this only akola no. Maame ne say ne ba na share the title or what or no maame no as a mother ne ba na share the title with anyo bia ti say fia was nigga enti maame ne buafu wa this only ne ba na me ne maame ne ba ne tina phone so pa cha fiti anopa nana ye Kenyan sasema chirem wo social media iso hanamo a you people should be grateful and thank God for our lives. Say you expose people like these people are or hide behind cameras. Now so omusu bayanka so mo de tiasa asiso no enye pepe be first nigga someone is disowning her daughter because the child came to under your post to post mommy akure no so sa wa pa na mama acho sa akura na show me prove wa chese wa block your first nigga wa unfollow no wa any bibia still ne mama say for the fact say one hu ntete ya me wo mama me de ma wunti uko comment obi ti say sa post asinti no mama ni buafu. Now I'm sure some no anger nyinaa is based on Sister Fiasho's nigga ungratefulness. Mama anger nyinaa is based on the Fiasho's nigga's ungratefulness. Now when secret I war, when information I war, more evidence I war. Mostly we don't like coming to prove with evidence, no, because what would the evidence ba obi huaka? Obi huaka nini ya concern na nini ya concern na if friends are concern na o ye ji Jubilee House ho no mo no ono a ne boni din se ne ye mahye no ma hu sa woni wunu na fiaso stega wunu ya concern me pese me bo hono abo ma ni din mama obi lose na dwuma nipa o ye in charge of transport and logistics e wo Jubilee House no nini ya fiaso stega nua concern link nipa no and the name Fiasho's nigga, one and only Fiasho's nigga, there, Fiasho's nigga, I'm married in my bushia for me, could bush for you name me, fight him co sing here. No, the man have lost his job. Papa no ya permanent for Jubilee House war. Bad luck. Obiti says Yashua, bad luck. Bad luck. Formation se kutani periase. Information se kutani periase. According to Papa na now in charge of roads and logistics so why no. Ono osi afia wo ompewo. Wo na wo do ho hihye no na wo frefre no. Na wo frefre no. Na wo frefre no. Even cry Papa no mo ka stories tell more about them. They don't want to believe it. Because and some of Papa can time. If you are say can say wunu ya konkonsa elenke wo ma ministry of one your friend is saying you're in charge of logistics and roads and so on the Papa America, right? So him say me can control because me boss so we ma show people say when information no way. The reason why you cannot attack me back no is because you wonder where I get your things from. That is why you cannot even attack me, which I know. But you rather go behind me, call my bosses, call me penny for me. If you are ungrateful, my head, what do you have for command in the mammy? Head, what do you have for command in the mammy? I was your for a fierce nigger, mano. James and John. I'm sorry, some of them call boom. It's supposed to be with an mammy. But I'm not here to insult Uncle Anomonyami. They are such an innocent boys. They have nothing to me. Yet to tell me you, and to be back. Obi mama, your funny man to communio be yard ya. Uncle, I'm not saying I'm not going against them, but I'm just letting you people know. I just said the one when a man was South Africa. Woman ever a South African passport in Chemo. Mamaka. Mundano. Say I just your mama Becca someone when a man was South Africa. Or Uncle South African passport in Chile. Men of the car, a fish was nigga. Whoa, my James and John were Ghana ha. One is a Brunia Cocono, we Okohu Americano. Whoa, Ghana ha. And a we would jaw Mama Afrakoma, me. Afrakuma Mammy James and John are 7 years now. Kobasha was South Africa. I think the on your cabin crew. On course, school, yo. Me, Mr. Soldier for a and then I'm touch picture. I say, me a soldier knee. Mr. Soldier for a then that dress as an army person. JBP, no me chat picture. Me patch of your soldier knee. Good. And if someone dresses like a cabin crew, if I have a soldier, an army friend, na me jina tadi which is illegal. Chat picture. And now me am the crop market. Got to talk kaftan. Na me chat picture. But na me a cabin crew. Na me a soldier knee. I feel so as nigga when me anu nyina nim say what me friend Emma. When no ejina phone so you call Emma on phone. Na mo say about you deceiving Ghanaians say we a cabin crew. Wa ko him for school, aviation school no. Na mo say about it. When Emma to me jina phone so Emma say, "Hey, if you Ghana for aji what di che na mo de from na mo say." Cause one ko cabin crew school bia wo friend Emma. What yes as nigga? Me na me catch now. I'm putting it to you. What in the Emma? Say me can Emma winning no. Monica na waje na boss ne. Monica down for Emma. Say winning no. What in me free Emma ni jina phone so? Na mo sere Ghanaians for believing say wo ka say wo ko cabin crew this uniform na wo share your trap picture na beto na mo a na Ghana for agye di. You love Ghanaians. E Ghana for da mo dibi di pa. Na mo da fam quick. Na mo sere. Na mo da fam na mo sere. I fear your ungratefulness took you. Emma, Miss Emma, Afrakuma, ma me share James and John. Emma Okopa shower was South Africa 7 years. Oba ya dia na dia ma me ne ne ba no. Wo ba ya dia na dia Afrakuma ma me ne ba Luxen. Muntie me. Me mama ran down of a fear so as niggas ungratefulness. Na ma hu say enya Shamodi nko an ode aye no. Enya obofo wa About $1 best play ebe spray wo birthday asenkwa na ade no enya bofo a wotam sika chichiri die over 200 million eto gold chain papa to komu no no kwa na ade no nemom what dia young crofo fititete your ungratefulness is from tete woni John James and John or the John no to akokra na woni no e wo ne ma no or the John no to akokra ne the John akokra no the John woni James and John wo mo and wo John ma Afrakuma ma me hwe nkola ne 7 years Afrakuma tini bottom sika no de atoaduane ma wo manadi wo toaduane ma ne ma me atwe wo hye wo man ne ma me for 7 years afia for tipom ko South Africa na ko bo brafa bra ukoye no ukobo ahye wo na kofo a wo na mo ko ba ahye wo South Africa nya minimum mo afia so snega Monica's pap e wo takwa anza wo gina mu wo ho nse takwa fo mu afia so nse takwa fo mu takwa ni ma me bi hu se ne ba follow kra otumi bubbo ne banani so because omu hu say we exposed ashawo wagina Kumasi via na abo golden tulip omo no da enya if ya me so ho run down eguyensem wa brabo me gina ha menya perfect o oba bia wo si so a won ware ya wo ne mema da bia no ye ka ashawo ai do be ka ho. Everyone has a horrible past. We are all trying to grow and improve on our past to be better today, but the future is the guardian earth sign. And the past time tiny don't I know that man God so they can't for us and Ghana or be ungrateful. Me say if she was able to be ungrateful to Afrakuma and mommy, abua also na me was sika and was sika ni who and she we know me nyan yesterday ye di Ghana ha yesterday maybe here the dia Queen's gluta cash is a glutation come boni di omo. Oh no, last year she helped me with an amount of money. Mr. Mimi na just ma metie se me fo sika to me ho me ni hwe nyame na me se ne so be me kese no ma me nkwatentia ye adwuma na me de ahwe me ma na me no bia no nyina ye da one scale mimi hia bibi na me do obi a me friend pa na ka che ne Aisha my action no watam bam say now no come sorry me show me phone so alert Aisha send me money was this is for my godson was me ban the godson every month be akwa ne sikaba na kada kroma so ne ma begina ha ma betwa ntro say Aisha ma miskada once pe and I will hear me ban once pe me ye baifo. If I do that I'm a witch. If 4 months ago what Afrakuma Australia you got Afrakuma in Australia to send you money. Now why is she? Afrakuma invitation. I met no Australia. Now they're gonna be in here. I pose again. Okoje a friend is saying, "Instead of $1